Hello, my dear students of Primary 3. Today we are going to continue Chapter 6, Lesson 4. It's about Venn diagram. Venn diagram. What the meaning of Venn diagram? Let's see what is Venn diagram and try to understand it very well. This is the Venn diagram. What can you see here in this shape? I have two circles. And they are intersect. What the meaning of intersect? They are overlapping. They are overlapping on there, or they are intersect. They are meet at this area. That means this area will have a common things between them. Let's see how. I have two circles, the pink one and the red one. The first circle will have some elements, and the other circle will have another elements. And the area between them, this one, I will have here the common elements between them. For example, if I have in the first circle the quadrilaterals, and I have in the other circles the red figures. So this one will have the quadrilaterals, and in the same way they are red figures. We will see some examples to illustrate this idea more clearly. But first, let's learn what the meaning of Venn diagram. So we have two circles. One circle has some elements, and the other circle has another elements, and this area between them is called intersection between them, and we say that intersection is the common things between the two circles. Okay, if I have any other elements that doesn't belong to any of these circles, I will put them outside the Venn diagram. Like these two circles, okay? Okay, let's see an example. As can you see here, I have the first circle. I have here quadrilaterals, rectangles, and squares. Okay, and the other circle, what I have in the other circle, I have also quadrilaterals. But are they the same as the first circle? No, they are a rhombus, a parallelogram, and so on. Okay, what can I say about the first shapes in the first circle? What can I say about them? They are quadrilaterals with similar vertices. As can you see here, this one is like that one. They are all like letter L. As can you see here, in the same shape, I have all vertices are similar. They are like letter L, but in many directions. It's rotated in many directions, but they still like letter L. Also in this rectangle, all vertices is like letter L. Okay, and this one also like letter L, but this one, it's not like letter L. As can you see here, it's not like letter L. Here, it's not like letter L. So we can't put these figures in this circle because we have here quadrilaterals but with similar vertices. But these ones, they are not similar vertices. Okay. What can we say about the second circle or the shapes in the second circle? We can say they are all quadrilaterals but with equal sides. As can you see here, all sides are equal. So we can say that quadrilaterals with similar vertices, and here quadrilaterals with 4 sides. What about the intersection area here between them? I have squares. Square has 4 similar vertices, and they also has 4 equal sides. So it takes the properties of this category and also some of the properties of this category. They are the common between them. They are the common between the quadrilaterals with 4 similar vertices and the quadrilaterals with 4 equal sides. Okay, let's see another example. If I have this Venn diagram, I have two circles. The red circles has the figures or the shapes with 3 sides, and the other one will have the red figures or red shapes. And I have these shapes. And I want to put these shapes in these circles. First of all, I am going to look to the intersection area. The intersection area. I want to put here in this area the shapes or the figures that has three sides and they are red, both of them. Three sides and red. Okay, three sides. It has three sides, but it's not red. So I'm not going to put it here in the intersection area. Okay, here is a square. It's red, but it's not three sides. I will not put it in the intersection area. Okay, what about this one? It has three sides and it's red, so I will put it in the intersection area. This one, it's a three sides, but it's not red. Leave it. Red, but four sides. Three sides, but not red. This one is three sides and it's red figure. So these are the shapes. I'm going to put them in the intersection area. Okay, now I will look to the first circle. I am going to put the shapes with three sides. So this one, I will put it here, and this one also, and this one. Okay. Red figures, I will put the square and the rectangle. I will put the square and the rectangle. Okay, let's answer this question. How many shapes with three sides? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 shapes that has three sides. How many shapes are in red? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 shapes are in red. How many shapes with three sides and in red? I will go to the intersection area here. How many shapes I have? They are counted twice because they have the attributes of the first circle and the second circle. So how many shapes I have? I have 2 shapes. 2 shapes with three sides and red. Okay. Let's move to the next exercise. Here I have a Venn diagram, it's ready, and I will just label the sections. I will label the first circle, what in the first circle, and what in the second circle, and what are in the intersection area. Let's start with this circle. I have what? I have many shapes, they are all blue figures or blue shapes. Blue shapes. Okay, what about the second one? I have many shapes, they are all quadrilaterals, as can you see, square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, they are all quadrilaterals. What about the intersection area between them? I will take both of them, blue shapes and quadrilaterals. Blue shapes and quadrilaterals, so I will name it blue quadrilaterals. So when I'm going to express the area of intersection, I'm going to take the name of the two circles, together. Blue shapes and quadrilaterals give me blue quadrilaterals. Okay, next one. Make your own Venn diagram, label the sections, draw the figures where they belong. I have many shapes also, and I want to put them in the Venn diagram. And I want to label the section. Think, what can I put here and what can I put here and what is common between them? If I look to these shapes, I can see quadrilaterals and I can see polygons and I can see shapes with equal sides. So I can say that the first circle will contain the quadrilaterals. So I will pick all the quadrilaterals and put them in the first circle. And I can name the second circle polygons with not equal sides. Polygons with not equal sides. So I'm going to put here in the second circle polygons that has no equal sides. But first, before I put in the two circles, I have to think of the intersection areas. The intersection area will contain what? Will contains both of them, quadrilaterals, but not equal in sides. Which one here is quadrilateral and not equal in sides? First one, the parallelogram. It's a quadrilateral, but it's not equal It has no equal sides. Okay, next one, the rectangle. Rectangle also is a quadrilateral and it has no equal sides. Then the trapezoid, it's also quadrilateral but it has no equal sides. Okay, so do we have anything else here that it's a quadrilateral but have no equal sides? No, I have here, this is square and here is a rhombus. So the square and the rhombus has equal sides, so I can put them here. So I will put them where? Here in the first circle because they are quadrilaterals. Okay, next circle, I will put them polygons with not equal sides. Here it's a polygon, but it has no equal sides. This triangle is a polygon, but it has no equal sides. This pentagon also no equal sides, and also this hexagon has no equal sides. So I can put them like this. You can think of other categories and you can put them in another way. Okay, the next exercise. He gave me Venn diagram and he gave me the label of each circle or for each section, and he gave me also some shapes and I want to put them on the Venn diagram. First, I will look to the intersection area. I have to put here polygons with all sides are equal and has at least two parallel sides. Okay, so the first one, all sides are equal. Which one here all sides are equal? Square and rhombus. All sides are equal and they have at least two parallel sides. Okay, do we have here any other polygons with all sides are equal and has at least two parallel sides? I have the rectangle, but it has only two parallel sides. And I have the trapezoid. It's a polygon that has only two parallel sides, but they are not equal, so I can put them here. So I will put them in the other circle. Here, parallelogram, rectangle, trapezoid, and this polygon. Okay. What about here? Can I put these shapes here? No, not all sides are equal, so I will put them outside the Venn diagram, because they are not belongs to any of them. Okay, now let's answer the question. How many polygons with all sides are equal and has at least two parallel sides? They are the shapes in the intersection area. How many? Two. Excellent. The rhombus and the square. Where should I put this shape? Where should I put it? I will put it here because it has at least two parallel sides, but not all sides are equal. How many shapes are outside the Venn diagram? I have three. So three shapes are outside the diagram. Name them. A star, circle, and the triangle. That was our lesson for today. Thank you for listening and goodbye.